Hi everyone, today is 21st of August 2025. I wanted to capture a summary of today's auction. So I trade mainly using market profile, contextual indicator, and in addition to that, I use normal price action charts as well, candlestick charts. So let's dive in to this auction. So this is yesterday's profile, a very wide range profile. Today we had the opener at this price around 63.94. This is US futures, by the way. So we had a opening in the exactly near yesterday's POC, near POC. POC stands for point of control. That is the price where we had um, the highest number of transactions happened. That is highest volume. You can see in the histogram, this is the peak point of yesterday's auction. So the POC is the green line. So the open is balanced open, meaning it's not at the extremes of the profile. It is just exactly in the middle of the profile. So we expect the auction not to be very runaway auction. It will be more like two-way. As expected, opening here and this price went down and came back in the B period. B period means A B period are like 30 minutes candles. Um, so each letter stands for 30 minutes time frame. So B went up here. This is where the IB closes. IB for ESC is 1 hour. There is 1 hour of first hour trading. Of the session of the RTH. These profiles are RTH profiles, regular trading hours. We are not using any profiles or information from overnight session. Everything um, we decide our trades based on yesterday's RTH profile. So it's a balanced profile. So when the price is here, there is the BPA closed at the highest of the day. Uh, you can see here B period closes here, C period starts here. So at this point we are away from VWAP by 15 to 20 points. I will show you that on my candlestick chart. This is candlestick chart. Please excuse me the no too many horizontal lines there, but they're there for a reason. But focus on this orange line, which is VWAP, volume weighted average price. This is the level when the price when the IB was closed. The price is at this level. So my trade was towards VWAP. Price has to come back to VWAP. I took short here, thinking my target is 6,400. Um, I was not expecting the price to come down so fast within 10 minutes. I was expecting it maybe sideways, then come back, but it just did it. So this is actually the trade is actually based on the market profile convention. The it says that if we have an open like within the yesterday's range and a two-way auction, we call it as open auction, open type. When we have open auction, open type, there's a high chance the price should come back to VWAP. We should not be taking our trades when the price is not very far away from VWAP, because that gives you a good trade, a high risk reward um, uh, trade. In terms of risk reward, you will get a very good uh, reward for lower risk, basically. So that's why I waited until IB2 close, and then I went short, and towards VWAP we took the short, profit booking. So this is a trade, the big trade for today. The other trades were more like show you on the candlesticks. Yeah, It's more like inducements or stop runs kind of. I'll walk you through how it looks like. So they bought the price here and they auctioned towards up to the top. So when the price is here, everyone is thinking the price has to may reach the high of the day and break the IB. If you don't know the context of the opening type, you will think that it will go up and auction further up. Since we have the open type context in mind, uh, then it's a trap to get more sellers. So they immediately sell off. Then they came here, that is towards the low of the IB. Then people will go short here, thinking that, well, anyway, this is done and this is going to break the low. But no, again, they just pull it back and take the stops who are shorted here, the stops for all the shorts they taken out. So these type of trades we can take. There's a two-way auction. So the open type tells us today is going to be two-way auction. So these kind of opportunities will arise on when the open type is open auction, open type. So it's very good for trading for scalpers. And also, I need to highlight one thing here. When you see during IB, we saw the candles which are of 20 points length. Within 10 minutes, sorry, within 5 minutes, we used to have 20 points, 25 points candles. This shows that you need to size down, and also um, both buyers and sellers are aggressive. Both the parties are aggressive, not just one party. So we need to size down, and we need to be very strict with stop losses. So that is all about open auction day and the inside range open. Inside range compared to yesterday. This is yesterday's range. So inside range open auction day, and uh, this is the profile. And it's better not to trade after 8 o'clock. I am London based, so 8 o'clock means 1 hour before market close. So you see the auction, let's say for example 8 o'clock. So better not to trade all this part. So yeah, the opportunities comes mainly after IB before 6 o'clock. Mainly, you can close down for the day. 6 o'clock means midday in New York before after lunch. Yeah, 6 o'clock. So this is the street area. So look at this how the auction was. IB closed. There is after 1 hour from the opening bell. This is a very good opportunity to trade and make money. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please share and leave a comment what type of questions you have. If you have any questions, I will walk you through. I didn't touch this line. This is 50 EMA. This has no significance when we have a two-way auction. It has significance only if you have a trend day, either up or down. So yeah, VWAP is very important for today in terms of not for talk. It's more like a magnet. It pulls the price from both sides. You see, when the price is here, come back. When the price is here, go back. So around VWAP, many touches. It crosses price crosses VWAP many times. That's also another point to make a note. Hope you enjoyed, and I will come up with more videos on market profile. I did a lot of work on market profile, and I have playbook for each day type. If we have time, go online and check what is market profile, opening types, market profile, day types. You will get a very good idea of this. And but don't take trades based on value area high, value area low. No, today's value area high and value area low, value area is still developing. So I would not recommend taking trades based on today's references. You can take some references, take trades based on yesterday's references. This is value area high, value area low, POC high, low. Yeah, you can take trades based with respect to yesterday's references, but not the developing references. It's not a very high conviction trades we can take based using that. Hope you enjoyed and happy trading.